everybody, welcome to another Storytime Saturday. Usually this is every week, but I've been a little off my game because I've been so busy. So hopefully we will get back to going weekly with these videos. I will be attending BookCon at the beginning of June, so there probably won't be a video for that day, but I will be bringing my video camera on our trip, so you guys will get to see what we've been up to. Anyway, today I am reading The Biggest Little Farm, Saving Emma the Pig. Are you ready? Here we go. This is the true story behind who and what really saved Emma the pig. The day Emma the pig arrived on the farm, everyone was excited to meet her. But Emma didn't have time to meet new friends because she was about to become a mama. And there were two big problems. Emma was skinny and sick. I had to help her get healthy and plump before the babies arrived. I fed her all kinds of food. Her favorite? Apples. Becoming a mama pig is a big job. I hoped Emma would have a small litter, no more than 6 piglets. We were still working on getting her healthy. But before we could get Emma better, the big day arrived, and she started having babies. 4, 5, 6, just the right amount. 7, 8, 9, 10, tell me this will end. Soon there were 17 new hungry piglets for Emma to care for. The next morning, Emma didn't look well. She had a fever. Then poor Emma stopped producing milk to feed her babies. She was too sick. We had to give Emma a break. But who would take care of her 17 piglets? Until Emma got better, the piglets would live with us in our teeny tiny farmhouse. They splashed, burped, and slurped. 17 piglets are messy. Hopefully, it would be a short stay. The next day, Emma's fever was down. Hooray! But she still wouldn't eat. And if she wouldn't eat, she wouldn't be strong enough to care for her babies. We tried everything. Veggies? Nope. Eggs? Nope. But then I remembered her most favorite food of all, apples. Nope. Nothing worked. The piglets stayed in our tiny house. They whimpered, they sniffled and snorted. They missed their mama. Then I got an idea of what might encourage Mama to eat. We brought the piglets back. And it worked. The piglets squiggled and squealed, and Emma grunted with glee. She fed her babies. Emma the pig finally started eating. A lot. Emma went right to work teaching her babies how to be pigs. As the piglets grew, they got to move into a pasture of their own. But Emma wasn't alone for long. Soon she had a new friend, a scraggly little rooster named Greasy, red just like her. Today, Emma is a much healthier sow. She's even packed on a few pounds, 200 to be exact. We've all been inspired by the ways of Emma. Molly and I figured if she could raise 17, we could raise one of our own. I like to think Emma the pig was saved by us, but in the end, it was her piggies who gave her purpose. As for Greasy and Emma, they are still friends. And that's a story for another day. Thanks so much for reading along with me. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I will hopefully see you next Saturday for another Storytime Saturday. Until then, bye!